Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find downloads on your iPhone on the latest version. So let's get started. So if you downloaded something, a photo, file, anything from the internet, it's going to be located in these two places. So first one you're going to do is find the Files app on your iPhone. It's a default app. Now, if you can't find it, you can click on search to also find it, or just swipe up and then type in Files. And if you see it, go ahead and open up the Files app. Now, once you open up the Files app, it might be already open something like this somewhere along in the things, but there's navigation at the bottom here. You click on Browse here. So if you click on the browser here, Browse option, it will take you to this option page where you can see the different locations for your phone files. So there's different files on your phone in this Files app. And then where downloads usually get stored is going to be under your favorites. So if you're going to go ahead and click on downloads, and then everything you downloaded recently will show up here in a list. You can look around. It might also be downloaded in another folder, but anything recent will show up here. Another place to check, if you can, in the cloud, if you're not seeing on your iCloud drive, you don't see something on a file, you can also look in any of these other ones. You might have saved it on Drive if you're using the Drive option. You could also have saved it on My iPhone. Sometimes it gets saved here if you move the location recently. So also check out there as well. And then of course iCloud Drive to make sure any of these folders can potentially also have your downloaded media that you have downloaded. Now, for some reason you simply can't or don't see it, you can also search by the file name here. If you know the file name that you download, you can search it, it'll find it for you. And lastly, if you don't see it anywhere, sometimes it can also be saved to the Photos app itself. Especially if it's a photo or a video, your phone might download it right to there. In that case, you're going to go under recent or check out any of your albums here to see if you have saved it into your Photos app as well. So that's how you find downloads on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.